For the next one, I need to enable this real-time database. You can see now we have something like this. If you are the first time, maybe you need to create a database, something like this. This is a cloud Firestore, but for this application we are using real-time database. You need to create database something like this. Real-time should we have we have a create database. So in this case I already create and I need to enable again. So once you click, you can see something like this, and go to rule and make sure your rule is something like this: read equal to true, write equal to true. So the one is the most important thing. And go back to your application. What you need to do is go to pub spec. Here you can see this is a fire authentication. So you need to add these two you need to add to Firebase database 3.1.6 and Firebase core 0.4.4 plus 3. So you need to click get. Okay, and the next one is you need to add something here. We go to this is a grader, something like this. You need to add this statement. The first one is implementation platform com Firebase, and the second one is implementation com.google Firebase data KTX. So that one is a required. Okay, so once they finish, you can close, and the second one also you need to close. And after that, go back to new register. So from here you need to import Firebase database, and now you need to make the declaration here for the Firebase. So here we need to create a finder, and we have a database. This is only variable name, Firebase database dot instance dot reference dot type, and maybe you put string here, we call as a users, and semicolon. And now you can see this is a print success. You need to add these two statements: find a Firebase users and current. This is a user ID, and we call it as a UID. And this you need to change to add users. Okay, so you need to create y this, and here what we need to do is the one is quite simple: database reference dot child this is something dot set, this is the value. Okay, so for the first one is name txt name, and the second one is row txt row. Okay, so you can see this is a path, should be ID, and what we need to do is copy this ID, and here you need to add the string UID, and here you can see that we need to add this ID. Okay, so that one is enough, and now we try to test either this is working or not. Okay, so this is a finish. Go back to here, click a new account. So go back to this authentication. I clear every single data here. and what we need to do is you put Richard 2020@gmail.com, and the password is and one more is a role as a user. Finish and click submit. Okay, so let's submit. Now you can see this is the result. Authentication, you can see that this is a Richard 2020, and you can see the most important part is UID. This is auto generated by system, and you go to the Fire database. You can see from here we have for the user, because you can see now we create for the users. This is for the users, and here we generate code LZ for something like this. This is actually the same value of authentication here, and you can see this is authentication, and you can see this is a name, this is a row as a user. So that one, this is an important thing to make sure once you log in as a user or you log in as a admin.